Hello kids, let's know some colors. Green color, pink color, light green color, black color, blue color, yellow color, orange color, violet color, rose color, red color, light blue color, brown color. Let's tracing letters. A, A, A for ant, A for ant. B, B, B for bird, B for bird. C, C, C for cake, C for cake. D, D, D for drum, D for drum. E, E, E for eagle, E for eagle. F, F, F for frog, F for frog. G, G, G for goat, G for goat. H, H, H for house, H for house. I, I, I for ink, I for ink. J, J, J for jellyfish, J for jellyfish. K, K, K for kite, K for kite. L, L, L for lemon, L for lemon. M, M, M for monkey, M for monkey. N, N, N for nest, N for nest. O, O, O for owl, O for owl. P, P, P for pencil, P for pencil. Q, Q, Q for quilt, Q for quilt. R. R. R for ring. R for ring. S. S. S for star. S for star. T. T. T for tiger. T for tiger. U. U. U for unicorn. U for unicorn. V. V. V for volcano. V for volcano. W. W. W for worm. W for worm. X. X. X for Xerus. X for Xerus. Y. Y. Y for yarn. Y for yarn. Z. Z. Z for zoo. Z for zoo. Okay kids, thank you.